Hello, in this video I am going to explain how to use React Bootstrap for the Modal. What we need is to have Bootstrap and raw Bootstrap installed. First I show you the final result, which is a URL, where a text and a button appear to open the Modal, and when you click the Modal opens. That said, first let's create the root. Go to src and app.js, and there we create the root and the element. Then we go up and import it. In the address we put where we created the JS file. That is, where it is located. In my case it is in components. Then we go to the JS file, and we start developing our code so that the Modal works. Well, the first thing we are going to need is to import useState from React. Then import button and the Modal from React Bootstrap. And then have the Bootstrap CSS imported. Once we have this, we are going to use what we imported. We can go inside the arrow function. In my case it is Modal example. And then we create one const for the useState that we would set to false, so that it starts false and is not displayed, since if you set true it will appear directly when entering the URL. And then we create the second const to change the useState set show Modal to true. And then we create the third const to change the set show Modal of the useState to false. After this we go to return and create a button, so that when click the second const is activated, that changes the useState to true. Then we are going to create the Modal and apply the show that is equal to the first const, and the onHide that would be the third const to hide. The Modal header has a button that would be an X to close the Modal. The Modal body, in case they have a form, could be placed here. And finally the Modal footer, so that it has a close button that is with the third const. We close the Modal. And finally we put export default Modal example. That would be all.